Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm back at the Classic Auto Mall in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, and I'll have all the information below. Today I'm making two videos, so make sure you check them both out. This video is going to be basically on anything that I see and like, and hopefully you like it too. It could be any price range. So. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. It helps the channel out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Next up is a 1971 Chevy Malibu Chevelle hardtop. And this has got a 307 cubic inch L14 V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The color is called an antique green with a dark saddle interior. And this one's going for $39,900. Next up is a 1964 Chevy Corvette convertible. This is powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a ermine white with the black interior, and it has 80,660 actual miles on the odometer, and this one's going for $58,900. Here's a 1964 Pontiac GTO convertible. This one's powered by the 389 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a Starlight Black with the black interior. And it has 62,211 actual miles on it. And this one's going for $83,500. Next up is a 1962 Chevy Corvette convertible, and this one's going for $64,900. This one's powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. The color is called a Roman red with the black interior, and this has only got 77,733 actual miles on it. Okay, here's a 1970 AMC AMX. This one's powered by the 360 V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, and the color is called a Matador Red with the black interior. And this one only has 48,874 actual miles on it and is going for $74,900. Next up is a 1965 Pontiac GTO hardtop. This one's powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a Blue Mist Slate Poly with a black interior. And this one's going for $89,500. And it only has 487 miles since the frame-off restoration. Okay, here's a 1955 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop. This one's powered by the 265 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. The color is called a Regal Turquoise and India Ivory with the turquoise and beige interior. And this one's going for $72,500. And this car only has 2,353 actual miles on it. It's a beautiful interior. Very nicely done. Okay, here we have a 1951 Ford F1 pickup. This has a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a vermilion red with a red and black interior. And this one's going for $36,000. The paint is beautiful on this thing. Okay, next up is a 1968 Chevy Camaro hardtop. This one's powered by a 427 V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a tuxedo black with the black interior. And this one's going for $76,000 even. Beautiful tires and wheels. Okay, this one's a 1969 Chevy Camaro RSSS ZL1 convertible Tribute. This one's powered by a 427 cubic inch ZL1 V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a garnet red with a medium red interior. And this one's going for $179,900. It's a beautiful car, but it's a lot of money. Okay, next up is a 1969 Chevy Corvette. This one is powered by a 427 cubic inch V8 L36 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is called a pale yellow. And this one's going for $59,900. Okay, here's a stunning 1957 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop. This one's powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And this has only got 67,451 actual miles on it, garage kept. And this one's going for $48,500. It has the dark teal and blue metallic with a black interior. Okay, here's another Bel Air. It's a 1955 Bel Air 2-door hardtop, and this one's powered by the 283 V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the color is called a regal turquoise and India ivory with the turquoise and beige interior. And this has 10,418 actual miles on it. That's low miles. And it's going for $58,000. Okay, this is the last one for today, everybody. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Here's the 1965 Pontiac GTO hardtop. This one's powered by the 455 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And it's, the color is a cameo white with a dark blue interior. And this had a frame-off restoration. And this one's going for $55,000 even.